Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix notification not working or not showing on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all what you have to do is just simply open settings, scroll it down and then tap on focus and then tap on do not disturb, and from here make sure that this toggle is off. So you have to off this toggle, and from here if the apps are available here, then you have to remove apps from here and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem select is there, then you have to turn off notification summary. For that, open settings and then tap on notifications and then tap on schedule summary, and if this toggle is on, then you have to turn it off and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem select is there, then what you have to do is just simply turn off your iPhone or iPad. For that, open settings, go to general, then scroll it down. Here you can shut down, so just simply tap on this and scroll it right side, and after that turn it on again and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem select is there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings again, go to notifications, and from here make sure that all the toggle is on for notification for all apps. For that, what you have to do is just simply tap on one of the app and make sure that this toggle is also on. So you have to on all these toggle and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem select is there and one of the app notifications are not showing, then you have to remove this app from here. So just simply tap on remove app and then reinstall it again and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem select is there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings, tap on general, then scroll it down, then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then tap on reset all setting, give your passcode, and after that tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting, no data or media will be deleted. So after doing all these things, I will guarantee you your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.